What up? It is the outdoor edition, well, actually inside the car edition of the question of the day. What do you want help with today, and are you asking for help? Okay, so this question comes up from time to time because we can't just figure out everything on our own, right? Think about it, like even if you Google something, you're asking for help in an indirect kind of way. So I want to hear from you. What do you need help with today? Comment below. Let's talk about this because there's nothing wrong with asking for help. Some people think it's like a sign of weakness, like, oh, I asked for help, but it's actually a sign of strength because it shows a little vulnerability and it shows like, hey, I can't do everything on my own. I can't do everything by myself. So I bring up this question because I need help today. And so my husband and I, we actually just parked and he's about to help me. We're going to go to a coffee shop and kind of camp out there because many of you know, I'm teaching at Northeastern and I'm putting together the syllabi for the 2 classes that I'm teaching. And it's awesome. And I have all these ideas and I've got all these things that I want to show the students and show the class, and I'm really excited about it. And I just need kind of help putting it all together. And so my husband is a project manager out there in the world, and so he's really good at kind of helping me put all my pieces together. So I asked for help because, you know, I can't do it all. I can't do it all by myself. So that's what I'm asking for help on. What are you asking for help on? Comment below. Let's talk about this. Let's have a judgment-free conversation because that's what this channel, that's what these questions are all about. It's all about uniting instead of untying. So let's talk about this. And while you're here, subscribe. Come hang out with us. This is kind of a cool place to be. And invite a friend because the more people that are part of this conversation, the sooner we can change the world. Thanks.